Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this video, I am reviewing Ice Scalper EA, a fully automated trading robot available for both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Right away on the MQL5 Marketplace page, we can see that this EA is offered as a free download and was developed by Ben Bianda, Sylvia Henry, Cedric Cabot. The current version is 1.8 and it was last updated on February 7th, 2023. Now, as I scroll through the product description, the developer explains that Ice Scalper is built around a Monday breakout strategy. According to the information provided, the EA uses pending orders that are automatically triggered when price crosses predefined levels. Buy orders are placed around previous highs, while sell orders are placed around previous lows. All right, so the developer also mentions that the system combines this breakout approach with money management and probabilistic analysis techniques. Another important point highlighted on the page is that the EA does not use martingale, greed trading or similar high risk recovery methods, which may be reassuring for traders who prefer a more structured approach to risk. Now, moving further into the setup section, the recommended usage is clearly provided. The EA is designed to be attached to 1 hour charts on Euro USD and USD JPY with separate magic numbers assigned to each chart. Now, the page also notes that UTC +2 is the default time zone setting and is considered suitable for most brokers. Looking at the inputs, there are quite a few customizable options available. Users can control how highs and lows are identified by adjusting parameters such as time frame, starting bars, and the number of candles used for analysis. There are also trading session controls that allow you to define when the EA can and cannot place trades. For position sizing, traders can choose between fixed lot sizing or dynamic risk-based sizing using the risk percent parameter. The EA also includes settings for pending order placement, stop loss, take profit, trailing stop functionality, and trade closing behavior. In addition, there are challenge-oriented risk controls that can monitor drawdown limits and close trades if predefined thresholds are exceeded. Now, let us just quickly move into the historical backtesting section. The developer states that the backtests shown on the marketplace page were performed using the recommended settings. However, they also encourage users to download the free version and conduct their own testing, which is always a good practice. So looking at what is provided here, we can see that the EA seems to have performed significantly well. From an initial deposit of $3,000, we can see that total net profit was over 35,600 and was precisely $35,620, and then the profit factor was 3.39. Total trades taken 224, out of which 204 were profitable. That gave us a 91.07% win rate. All right, and then looking at the profits and losses by months, you can see that majority of the months ended in profit according to this data. All right, but December was a losing month. Okay, and we can see the balance equity curve, how it's looking quite impressive. There was a steady growth recorded. Yeah, there were some periods of drawdown, but overall it was a steady growth. Heading over to our strategy tester, we also have to test the EA ourselves, right? So we're testing the Ice Scalper on Euro USD on the H1 time frame, and we are testing from the beginning of 2026 till date. As for the delays, we are using the last ping to the server, and we are using the every tick modeling. Now, let's quickly look at the results. From an initial deposit of $100,000, what we have here is negative 7.2 as the total net profit. Total trades taken were 14, out of which 9, we are profitable, giving us a 64.29% win rate. And we can see that the largest profit was 9.7, largest loss was 15.5, largest average profit was 3.59, and average loss was 7.9. So this shows me that the average risk to reward ratio is bad. You can see how the average loss is significantly, bigger than the average profit. All right. And then concerning the equity and balance drawdown, the balance drawdown relative 0.04%, equity drawdown relative 0.04%. Okay. Now, when reviewing the historical chart activity, the behavior appears consistent with the breakout methodology described earlier. Based on the information provided, entries seem to be triggered through pending orders positioned around previously identified highs and lows. All right. So the chart history can help us observe how those breakout levels interacted with market movement during the tested period and how the trade management settings influence the overall results. All right. So I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. Testing different periods can provide a broader picture of consistency and risk characteristics. All right. But as for the historical backtest results, it is actually important to remember that historical testing performance does not guarantee future outcomes. Okay, results can vary depending on lot sizing choices, broker execution quality, spreads, commissions, slippage, market conditions, and any optimization changes made by the user. So overall, the Ice Scalper EA for MT4 and MT5 presents a clearly defined breakout based approach that focuses on previous highs and lows using pending orders for execution and offers extensive customization through its input settings. So since the EA is available for free, traders actually have the opportunity to, perform their own testing and optimization before deciding whether it fits their trading objectives and risk tolerance. After backtesting the expert advisor using the strategy tester, because it's a free download, traders can further forward test it on a demo account to see how the EA actually, works. All right, before considering it for any live usage. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading insights. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.